ABC7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us now with the check of the day on Wall Street so far. Kind of a mixed market as we start a new week so far.
A mixed market, but considering the market last week, mixed doesn't sound too bad.
No, it doesn't.
Last week was rather forgettable, actually. All three indices that we follow on a regular basis were down anywhere between 3 and 4%, and that's after the fact that we put together a pretty darn good rally on Friday. So what's the problem? Well, we continue to hear about the Fed raising interest rates too aggressively. That's certainly an opinion, but a lot of people share that opinion. And of course, we still have the issue of tariffs. And of course, we're now going into the very important earnings season. So put that all together, a mixed market. But let's take a look at where we stand. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, not mixed, up 90 points, more than 1/3 of 1% at 25,429.42. That on volume of 488 million shares. The NASDAQ is a down arrow, but not by a great deal, down 10 points, just 1/10 of 1% at 7,487.14. That on volume of 789 million shares. And the S&P has an up arrow, ever so modest, up 4 points, just over 1/10 of 1% at 2,771.46. Well, did you ever think you'd see the day when Sears, Roebuck and Company said, we now file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy? Well, that's exactly what happened overnight. Sears, which has been in business since 1866, said they in fact are filing for bankruptcy. They will be closing more than 140 stores between now and the end of the year. That will leave them with approximately 500 stores. You might recall that about 10 years ago, Sears merged with Kmart. That was a marriage that did not work out very well at all. And certainly Sears, well known for things like Craftsman and Kenmore, and frankly, the Sears catalog that many people recommend as being the wish list of all time. Well, guess what? Sears was the Amazon, many have said, of the 1930s, but unfortunately, Sears is not the Amazon today.
Yeah, I don't know what this. I mean, this isn't good news, but there are still stores open.
And will be, but I confess, when I was licensed in 1976 in this business, two of the components of the Dow were Sears and F.W. Woolworth. So times change.
They sure do. All right, Richard, we'll see you again at 5.
I'll be here.
Okay, sounds good.